Next, I'm actually going to pull up Crystal, my longtime friend of 20 years, and something very special about Sean and Crystal is that he actually found her when she was already in this business. So yeah, and he's also a business strategist, and he actually helped a bunch of us scale our businesses. But I mean, besides that, I'm just going to introduce them. So I don't know. What should I ask? What kind of questions should I ask?
Well, I feel like for your guys' story, it's like you guys were already together prior to like finding Thrive, but like for us it's different. So maybe I thought like I'd share a little bit about that. So
hi, Alicia. We live parallel lives, so.
Yeah. So for me, you know, when I first started Thriving, I was married. And I was already in a relationship, and he was supportive, you know, and things just weren't going right. I was unhappy. I had held things together for a lot longer than I should have. So thank you. That was my story too. I was like, where's my quote? Looking on everything.
I don't think they've even seen the slide yet, but yeah.
Yeah. I found Thrive because you know we always you hear that quote time and time again, like Thrive finds you when you need it the most, and that was definitely what happened for me. We were not together. So you know I came into the company for my own reasons, energy, weight loss, what have you, and it just spiraled into something else. And I knew that I wanted to scale my business. I have a business background. I owned 4 different businesses at the time, so I was not looking for another opportunity. I already had 4 businesses and 2 kids. So when I found Thrive, I basically, you know, I saw the potential, I saw the opportunity, I saw the vision, because all I usually think about is like business, finances, scalability, overhead, stuff like that, right? And so I knew to scale my business, I had to start looking externally to be able to tap into a cold market or to be able to grow in a different way, because I had never been a part of network marketing before. And so I know that we use social media a lot to be able to scale our business, because we get our message out there and we can tap into a cold market. And as you guys know, sometimes when you guys are in this business, it's not necessarily the people that you already know, your friends, your family, that are going to thrive with you and that are going to support you. And that's okay, right? So you have to look outside as well. So I was introduced to him because one of my friends that I've known since I was like 12, he was like, you know what, there's this guy, he's really good at social media and personal branding, like he does business strategy. He's working for like one of my bosses right now, he's like a 9-figure earner, right? So I'm like, great, that's what I need. And so we actually met for business. Yeah, that's all, you know. We met for business. It was never, you know, like I wasn't searching for love. Like I had just had a relationship fall through. And so I'm like, all right, cool, yeah, I'll meet him. You're gonna meet me because I love business and I love making money.
Brad, see?
I'm very yellow too. I love people, so. So yeah, I went seeking him, and I'm like, hey, okay. So we just started talking, and we just built this friendship naturally. And I think that when you're with someone, it's important that you guys have like the same goals. You guys are aligned, and so. Although we did go in for like business, I discovered so much about myself. Like that is like my quote right there. It's like the relationship you have with your partner is a reflection of the relationship you have with yourself. So how you allow someone to treat you is the way that you treat yourself. And if you do not know your worth, then you're gonna be with someone who doesn't know it either. And so like my journey went to like a self-love thing, you know what I mean? I really had to love myself, and what I saw was that he respected me, he respected my vision, he respected, everything about like what I was doing, and he had no choice but to come into Thrive, you know what I mean? Like, he had no choice, so he came in and he really helped scale my business. He just He came in, he was very supportive, and he like helped scale a lot of our businesses with like no comp plan attached, right? So raise your hand if he has helped you scale your business or taught you something personally, business-wise. Look around the room right now. And now raise your hand if you're actually on his team. So you go into a relationship to give, not to get. And that is the quote that he taught me, right? So that the biggest thing about being a couple and thriving together is just like you really want to find someone that like appreciates you and supports you wherever you're at. So thank you. Thank you for everything that you've done for us.
Don't know if you guys haven't seen, we're really big on social media, and for a solid, I want to say a year, I don't even know how long it was, but for a long time, we were doing these things called fire hours. So they were power hours, and it was like literally every day. And the way that it happened was one day, she was working her business, they're gonna make me cry. She was working her business, but she was very busy, you guys. She was a busy mom. Like she said, she had 4 businesses, and her partner saw her just kind of struggling with like, oh my God, I have to go pay the gardener, I gotta go do all these things, and I have a team to take care of, right? So Sean literally, he hopped on one of her training power hours and he took over. Crystal literally was just like, babe, can you take care of this? And then hopped on. And that power hour grew from there. I mean, Angela was one of the people where I had told Angela, I was like, hey, I've hopped on Crystal's power hour, it was really, really valuable, if you wanna hop on. She's like, yes, and it grew. We literally hopped on every single week. He taught us invaluable information without a comp plan attached to it. So that is something like the support of your partner can mean everything, you know. So anyways, seeing his partner just kind of struggling, like running around doing all the things as a mom, sometimes that's all that you need, right? It's just that one person to support you and do all the things that you can't do for yourself, right? So anyways, thank you, Sean, for taking care of my girl, Crystal. And it was one of those things where I'm never going to do this again, you know? Like, what do you see that's different here? You know, like, what do you see?
Everything. So, yeah, okay. First and foremost, I'm super blessed and grateful to be here. To be standing right here in front of you all. And not only that, but just to be acknowledged for all that. Because for me, this journey was not easy to go on, you know? I've only been in business since 2013. I got started in network marketing, and that was the floodgates. That opened the floodgates for me to take a different path in my life. You know, not being sick and tired of being sick and tired. Not being able to have to be told what to do, when to do it, with who to do it. I wanted my freedom. I wanted to live life on my own terms. And being able to live my best life, I knew 100% that it took one decision. It was just to say yes. And every single person here, at one point in time, said that word. They said yes. They said yes to an opportunity. They said yes to a different path. They said yes to a better future. And that's why every single person here, you guys are here for your life. You know, you guys are here, you guys decided. And for me, the reason why I'm tearing up is because in 2013, when I said yes, I did not know that I could be like this. I didn't know how many people's lives I could impact. I didn't know I could be a catalyst of change in someone's life, especially someone that I love and care about, right? Someone that saved my life. So for me to be here today, speaking in front of you guys, the president of the company, so, you know, I'm just very grateful, very blessed, beyond measure to be here and just to share, you know, whatever I have to share here. If I can just touch, inspire, motivate, through my passion, through these words, just through my energy, just seeing every single person here, looking at every single person's eyes, one thing, you know, I believe in you. I believe in you. And if you don't believe in yourself, then borrow my belief. Because you said yes already. You already said yes. You're here today, in this room with everyone here, and to answer your question, what did I see differently about this company? Literally everything, for real. And I got a chance to talk to Drew outside, and I asked him a question, because what I look for in a business, when I'm evaluating a business, I always look at the people at the top. because I truly believe that everything rises and falls in leadership. And you are the leader of your own ship in your life. So everything's going to rise and fall on you. Your business, your relationship, what you do, your path, what you choose, every single decision and choice that you make is going to shape your future. And as long as you make the decisions with your authentic self, you stay true to yourself, then there's no right or wrong. There's not going to be you going off course in your path. It's all meant to be. It's because that's the journey, right? That's the journey of your life. So there's no right or wrong. Everyone here is going through their ups and downs in life. The beauty of this is we're going together, because everyone here is thriving together. We're here, one community, and that's the biggest freaking thing that I love about Thrive. And there's 3 things Drew talked about earlier in the opening. Foundation, right? The foundation, the products, the standards that Lavelle has and operates. I looked at that. What kind of products do we have here? How are they operating? I was in the Philippines. I told them this. I was in the Philippines trying to look up Thrive because I was like, what the heck is this? You know? And guess what? I couldn't look it up. Why? It's because they put a proxy. They stopped me from looking because the market's not open there. Guess what that shows me as a business strategist? These people have integrity. They are here to protect you. They are here to protect the promoters, the customers. Every single person who gets Thrive in their hands, shipped to their doorstep, they are protected. Why? It's because of integrity. It's because everything rises and falls on leadership. So that was the first thing, that's foundation. The standards that Lavelle has to offer to everyone here. All the markets are going to be open in the future, etc. Every single person who's going to be touched, inspired, and motivated by you, right? Guess what? The second thing, the business side of things, the opportunity, being able to be a promoter. What's different? $0 overhead expense. It's free. It's a free opportunity. It's a free chance to get lucky. Who wants to get lucky? Yeah. I got lucky. 100%. Okay? But it started with you. You said yes to the opportunity. It started with one person, and guess what? It spiraled. The compound effect kept on going. The momentum kept on going. The energy kept on transferring. Guess what? It started with you. So, last thing, the third foundation of what he talks about is the community. And guess what? I've worked globally. 9-figure businesses. 16 million followers on Instagram. Biggest companies, you name it, globally. Guess what? The community here in Thrive is second to none. Second to none. So, to answer your question, you answered it for me, and I just got the insight, I'm just repeating it back. Those 3 foundations is everything in the business. But again, it starts with you. Everything rises and falls in leadership, and because that's true in my opinion, it starts with you. So you said yes, I'm so happy that you guys are here, but what are we going to do next? What's your call to action? Where's the vision for yourself in your life? What about for your future family, your kids' kids if you want kids? Who are you going to impact next? Who is that next person that you're going to touch, inspire, motivate, move to take action for the next step in their life? To take a chance on the unimaginable, the unknown, stepping into fear. It starts with you, again. So what action are you going to take today? Guess what the company right has it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? It's so simple. It's so simple, but guess what? Again, it starts with you. So that's just my thing, you know? Again, for me, I did not expect nor put a vision map or roadmap for me to be, dating someone in network marketing. Right? I didn't know this was going to be my path, but guess what? It was all meant to be. And I'm grateful again. I'm here. I'm blessed beyond measure. And who's next, I'm ready to touch, inspire, and motivate, and move, and just do something different for someone else, because that's why I cried. It's simply because to hear everyone's stories, to hear everyone's lives change, that's what I live for. And that's what I'm here to do. Servant leadership at its finest. And I'm going to do that just by continuously leading through my own shit, which is my decisions, my words, my bond, my faith into every single person I touch, regardless of what they do. So, again, it's up to you.